Good Monday evening, meteorologist Nathan Kitchens here with your latest weather update. Hopefully you enjoy the cooler temperatures out there today. It's a very nice day. We will continue to see these cooler temperatures into tomorrow, but then the summer air will return starting Wednesday. And we will be seeing, along with the warm temperatures, a daily chance for shower and thunderstorm activity. And speaking of storms, I tell you what, locations across Oklahoma and Texas really being hit hard this evening with several tornadoes. There's some strong ones as well, so our thoughts and prayers out to those people dealing with that very destructive weather. Now the good thing is for us, we're going to be very fortunate in that the severe weather chances stay fairly low. Now we will get kind of the leftovers of those storms eventually by Wednesday morning as the system in the front kind of just starts to fade out, but we will see a weakening line of storms coming in for Wednesday morning. As we look at the forecast tomorrow, I put in a 30% chance that we could see a few showers. It's not going to be a huge deal, but we could see a few showers later tomorrow morning and early afternoon, a high of 66. But then Wednesday, we shoot these temperatures way up to 81 degrees. Now to start our day Wednesday, we will see a weakening line of showers and storms. Again, these are associated with that big storm to our west. That front is going to start fading out as it pushes through, but we will see some scattered shower and storm activity to start our day Wednesday. But then that should kind of clear out of here. I think we'll be dry Wednesday afternoon and really nice as temperatures soar back to the 80s. And we're going to keep those 80s around. Look at the low temperatures. Later this week in the mid to upper 60s, highs in the 80s. We'll keep storm chances from Thursday all the way through the weekend. It won't rain the whole time, but just be aware of those chances as we go into the upcoming holiday weekend, as we kind of kick off the unofficial start to summer. Hard to believe. So that's your latest look at your forecast the next several days. We will be sure to keep you updated. Have a great rest of your day.